you how you can remove the background of two images and use them in the same photo. Let's start. Now click on open. Use the images given in the Google Drive link below. Click on this image, an apple. This is a project that I was doing before. So here it is. This is the image. The next thing we'll be doing is selecting the subject. So go on select, subject, Ctrl C it and then Ctrl V it. Now let's just hide the background, or let's just delete it, simply delete. Now the next thing we need to do is add another image. So for this, let's hide this image. Now open File Explorer and drag and drop a basket or a tree. You can hang these apples on the tree. Now the next thing I'll be doing is selecting this image, using the subject tool and then Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. So let's just remove this, and now here's a basket. Click here and resize it. Here it is. Now take this layer and make it visible and make them as small as you like. So this is it. I'll just remove this tool and then copy and paste it. So there are two different layers here now of apples. So just to rearrange, you have to make different layers. You can add 5 apples, 6 apples, or maybe tens of thousands of apples, and that too small ones. So here it is, a basket full of apples. You can do the same thing using a tree and apples, or an orange in a basket. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.